Hi there, Jennifer from Tarle Speech with your pronunciation question. Today's question is a very common question that I get from Korean ESL speakers, and that's how to differentiate the words kiss, a smooch, keys, what you use to unlock your door, kits, something that comes together that you typically put together, and kɪdz, a slang term for children. So we're going to focus on vowel length and then the ending cluster combinations. Okay, so this will all make sense in a second. Let's take a look at these words. Let's start with kiss and keys because those will be the easiest to address. So for the word kiss, we're going to say that word with the short I sound. I. This vowel looks very similar to that long E in keys. So to make these vowels different, for keys, your mouth is going to be smiling and very closed. And then for kiss, it's going to relax a little bit and open. And when that happens, your tongue goes from way up here for keys and it pops down a little bit for kiss. So keys, kiss. Keys, kiss. The other difference is that when you end these two words, the S is voiceless, your throat is not vibrating, versus the Z sound, your voice is on and vibrating. So kiss, keys. And also keep in mind for these two sounds that after you say the vowel sound, you're going to keep your tongue in the same spot. Do not touch your teeth and then keep the air moving out of your mouth. Okay, so let's listen to those two again. Kiss, keys. Kiss, keys. Now let's move to kits and kɪdz. These words have the short I sound, I. So again, we know how to do this. Your mouth is slightly open and more relaxed, and that vowel is short. We're going to end with the TS. So to do this, you're going to move from that short I sound, I, touch your teeth with the tip of your tongue to the back of your top front teeth, kit, and then you're going to pull it back down, tss, and let that air move out of your mouth. Okay, so I, tss, kits. Now for kɪdz, all that you're going to do is turn your voice on for that D and Z sound. The tongue is going to do exactly the same thing. So we have kits and kɪdz. Kits, kɪdz. So let's give all four of those words a try. Kiss, kiss. Keys, keys. Kits, kits. Kɪdz, kɪdz. And then I'm going to just contrast quickly for you. Kiss, kits, keys, kɪdz. So give that a try. People will notice the difference. If you found this helpful, please give us a like and a share. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video. And if you need more information, hop on over to tarlespeech.com for more information. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you soon.